everyone, today I'm diving into what makes a truly exceptional waiter. If you're starting out in the service industry or looking to polish your skills, you're in the right place. First off, remember that being a waiter isn't just about taking orders and serving food. It's about creating an experience. Every guest who walks through the door has different needs and expectations, and your job is to exceed them. Let's start with the basics. Know your menu inside out. This doesn't just mean memorizing the dishes. Understand the ingredients, the cooking methods, and be ready to answer questions or suggest modifications for dietary restrictions. Guests appreciate a waiter who can guide them through the menu with confidence. Next up, mastering the art of timing. Delivering food at the right moment, refilling glasses before they're empty, and being present without hovering all contribute to the seamless flow of the dining experience. It's like a dance and you're the lead. Communication is your best tool. Always approach tables with a smile and introduce yourself. Be clear, be polite, but also be personable. Building a quick rapport can turn a regular service into a memorable one. People remember how you made them feel, not just what they ate. And here's a pro tip: always be observant. Notice the little details. Does someone keep glancing at their empty water glass? Is a child getting restless? Addressing these things before they turn into issues shows that you're attentive and proactive. Lastly, handle mistakes gracefully. If something goes wrong, and sometimes it will, own it. Apologize sincerely, fix the issue as quickly as possible, and ensure the rest of their experience makes up for any hiccup. Being a great waiter is about more than just serving food. It's about crafting an experience that guests will recall fondly, ensuring they leave happier than when they arrived. So take these tips, put on your apron, and show the world the exceptional waiter you are destined to become. Ready to make some magic happen? Let's go!